In this video, I will show you how to get live access on TikTok. Firstly, you need to go to your profile setup on your side, go on the three dots on your right upper side, select settings and privacy. Right after you get these things, you need to go on that selection, which is the right one on this setup, by getting down and that reporting a problem. And when you get here into that main page, right over here, you need to scroll down again and go for a live session. And right over here, it will shows up what's going on this setup. As you can see here, also you have many options in which you can choose up one by one, but the main option right here to choose up, it is by getting up. I can start a live, go on that selection, and here guys, you need to describe what's going on and what you want to do. For example, in this case, we want to get live access on TikTok. You're gonna go on that selection and then you're gonna simply take over that site.